I'm just telling you things that you should know.
You should know by
I
now.
read it before.
I have to sit over here. I have to sit. I have to go closer to the freaking thing. You trust my driving now, hon? But of course, we get delivery and it's just really expensive.
How much? Good morning, Philippines!
Idoon ng cellphone sa imong mama. Nagkiat lang na imong mama, gabiin na maglaba.
Yun na po, guys, mga bata. No? Okay, ano yung t-shirt?
Guys, pasensya na guys kung nakita ninyo ito palagi itong suot ko pula, ganito. Well, actually, dalawa akong ganito. Yung mga malalaking shirt na may mga tatak. Mostly yung ano talaga is, meron akong tatlo or dalawa kasi mga ano ito sa mga salida, yung mga trabaho ni Tami. Guys, always yan dalawa. Kapag kumakain ako, andito talaga sila. Buti na lang, kumain sila. Roxy, you eat your din, right? Misty too. So, binigyan ko sila ng konting bread. Sit up, good girl. Misty here, good girl. Konting bread because you guys are good girl. You eat your din, You did. And itong isa, bah. Always man. He is so special. Always, every morning yan. Yan. Okay, I have to eat my food. And you eat your din, which is a good girl. I'll give you bouncy later, okay? Let me eat my food, okay? So good. So good. Tinext ko yung kapatid ni Tami, yung sister-in-law ko. Sabi ko sa kanya, 12 na ako pupunta doon kasi ando naman yung asawa niya. So, 12 na lang ako and while may gagawin din ako dito sa taas. So, yeah, mag-film lang ako. May mga katanungan lang. Ano ba? Anyway. So, yun lang guys. And hintayin ko rin si Tami. So, yun. Hintay-hintay tayo kay Tami. Hi guys. Ang init dito sa taas. Grabe. Hindi ko kinaya. Hindi ko rin ma-open yung window kasi may bagyo. Oh, basa. Oh, grabe. Kitams. Init dito. Nag-ano ako sa laptop. Nagmamadali ako. Meron akong ginagawa. And then, sobrang init. Hi. Are you driving here now?
Yeah, why?
Nothing. Are you gonna stop at the house or we'll stay there at Andrea?
Depends. Are you on the way to Andrea now?
No, I'll go there 11:30. If you're gonna be here, okay, then I will tell Andrea that I'll be there. I will text him, I'll wait for you. Angelo is there. That's why I text, I'm always go there like 12. Ano na bang oras? 10:30 na. Ay, nako Lord. Ulan. Let's go out. Let's go, Pipi. Okay, let's go, Pipi. Go, Pipi, let's go. Ay, nako mo. Ambak man. Get up. Go, Pipi. Good girl. It's not your grass. It's not your grass. Did you, Pipi? Go, you, Pipi. Ay, nako. I said no. No. Good girl, Misty. Dada will be here, Let's go get him. Let's go. Excited. Where is my sleeper? Here. Yeah, let's go get some bouncy. Let's go get some bouncy. Is that Riot over there? What is it? Hi, baby. Come here, Roxy. Dada's going bathroom. Come, my baby. Come. Let's go. On your teeth. She almost knocked my teeth down yesterday.
I haven't seen Hal yet.
It's right here. She's looking for you over there in the thing. Go. Look at Dimples. Give them 3 days. I'll get your coffee. Okay. Hanap tayo ng ano dito. Bumili kasi si Tami ng mga ito para pag umalis daw siya, meron daw siyang coffee to go cup. Punta doon. course, Tommy need to get his thing in his car. Like hairbrush. Like cigarette and jacket. Put this coffee thing over here. And let's go. Wait me, where is my cell phone? In the garage. Close the garage. Okay, yung kinuha nito, cigarette. Nakalimutan ko nga. Kalibangon pala day ko. Kalibangon day ko. Nakalimutan kung gusto ko palang malibang. Ayan siya na guys. Sobra ganito kasi ako guys. Kung ano yung nasa isip ko guys, sabihin ko talaga guys. Anyway, nagdalad. May napkin din dito kasi alis ako ng alis, diba? And then wala akong dalang bag. So, naisip ko magdala ako niyan, baka wala akong napkin kung magkaroon man ako, diba? Do you have your key?
I think so.
Oh, maybe your key is battery is done.
No, that's weird.
Okay guys, I will see you later guys. Magdadrive lang ako. Tommy, try to open the door.
He's here.
You won't do anything. Go outside. Go outside. I don't think so.
Maybe because the car's running.
Yeah.
Shut the car off.
Okay, it's on.
Maybe because the car was running, that's why I didn't open it. I don't know.
Doon kami kanina sa bahay ng sister-in-law ko. And ngayon, dinala na namin si MaryAnn doon sa dialysis doon. And si Tommy yung nag-drop sa kanya. And ako, andito lang ako sa sasakyan. Nanonood lang ako ng mga video or mga post sa YouTube, sa Facebook. Yes, we are going, but my husband have to yell at me first.
I'm just telling you things that you should know.
You should know by
I
now.
looked at it before with you, the parking and standing, the difference.
I can heart you feeling. You're feeling heart to court. Heart to
Well, it's getting
court.
ready to rain again
Heart,
already.
huh?
It's already like getting ready to rain again.
Yeah, I want to cut only the backyard for the dog. But
Instant acceleration. Electric cars are more fun to drive and more affordable than ever. Electric cars are here. Present. Learn more at plugintothepresent.com.
are heading home.
4 days only.
Can you put the GPS on it, please?
Shop Father's Day gifts like
We can turn to the left here.
Yes. See the arrow that says left?
Okay.
The rails turn left to figure out.
Route recalculation. Route recalculation.
What the fuck are you talking about? We're in the right road. Mid Hudson Bridge. You're serious? Got up to get gas. Okay.
3.5 tank. That's fine.
Huh?
That's fine.
Okay then.
They like design it to make sure accidents happen.
Yeah.
Because people can only sit there so long before they gotta take a risk and try it. You know, it's designed for accidents.
The bridge is always traffic every this hour. Especially
Seems like there was traffic all the time.
4 o'clock, it's like, it's crazy. It's 2 lanes. So I can use... What this guy? Stay in your lane, hey idiot.
An idiot, you can't say one lane.
He's afraid over there. It's really
Really?
tight. No, it's tight over there
No, it's
too.
not that tight.
Look, I see a lot of people.
He just
slow
can't
down.
drive. He's afraid
No,
to go inside.
especially if the
He's
bridge...
afraid to go inside the truck.
Yeah.
He's got no balls. He got no balls.
Actually, why are you saying that?
Because that's what it is. So see this guy? He don't have to tight. Just go. He's got a bigger car. Sue was like that. She was like, she's afraid of everything. Oh, I can't fit. I can't fit.
Doesn't enough.
She's waiting for the road to become big enough to fit another truck. We got somebody behind him too now.
Yeah, after this one I can go.
Nobody else gets there.
It's still not. I hope this big truck won't squish me here.
Oh, you're fine. I'll put my arm out and stop.
One time I have to sit over here. I have to sit. I have to get closer to the freaking thing that you won't hit your hand.
Yeah, okay.
You know what, hon? I cannot believe I can drive really good. What? Like a pro. And I can't believe I drive like a pro. I think I played so much driving in a game. I act like, but I'm very careful driving though. And did you notice, hon, that I'm very good at driving now?
I know you can find every pothole there.
Hon, I'm not like you. What do you think of my driving, baby? You trust my driving now, hon?
That's fun.
You do? Just say it, hon, to vlog for the record.
I've been having you drive my car since you started driving. So yes, I trust you driving.
Which car are you talking about?
You started with the other car. You started with the other, not this black truck, the other black truck.
No, I don't drive your other black.
You didn't start until I got the new one? Oh yeah, maybe
That's the new one, hon.
Okay.
You remember, you just get that when we get married, 2010.
Okay. Yeah, but I had you drive it before that, hon. You drove the other one when you came back from Florida.
Ah, yeah, I did drive once.
Yeah.
So I did once because you were so sleepy. I don't have a permit, nothing. No permit whatsoever. Guys, this is the truth. Tommy was like driving from Florida to back here. What happened was, he really is like this, like sleeping. Because I cannot drive. I don't have a permit. I don't have a license. But I said, I'm gonna do it. Huh?
It never drove before.
Yeah. I said, I'll do it. No, I did drive. Actually, hon, I think I did drive. You practiced me one time in Lynn Island.
Yes.
That's how I started, and then that's how I have eager to.
Yeah, but that was after coming back from Florida.
Is it?
Yeah.
Usually, guys are very strict with your cars, right?
Yeah.
Like you don't want a woman driving it or your wife driving
Guys
it.
are very attached to their vehicles.
Huh?
Guys get very attached to their cars.
She will jump.
Jumping.
She'll
You're like
jump.
a frog. You jump
She will
all
jump in your
over.
face. Oh. Tommy got here, guys. He got here, but he never gave me a kiss since he got here. That's okay. Oh no! I don't really care. He never gave me a kiss.
Finishing off the rest of our drive. She's like killing it. Then there's none left. None. What's that about?
Doon si Tommy, guys, nagkakat ng grass doon sa property pa namin. Ang hirap lang kasi mag-cut doon kasi ang daming puno. Yan, ang daming puno doon. Linis na ni Tommy yung ibang part doon. Kaso yung sa iblalim ng puno, hindi niya makakat-cut dahil ang daming mababang branches. Kaya yan. Sana hindi masira yung lawnmower namin kasi ang taas ng grass doon, guys. Okay, guys. Nagkakat ako ng grass dito, guys. Tapos na sa back. Dito, hindi pa. Well, Tommy clean up over there already. It's nice. But he left a lot of dirt in the neighbor's area and their grass is brand new. So, I scraped it. I scraped and put it in over there.
When is that big? You got no choice. When the grass is that tall, there's nothing you can do.
I know. So, I clean up over there because there's a lot of dirt going into the neighbor's yard. That's what I told you. They don't clean. They only clean. So why you clean up the whole way over there? It's not yours. Why you keep going up there? Our property is only in the second tree.
They didn't clean in between.
The second line. Not yours.
Between our property and the second line. No, it's not. It goes past that shed.
I know, but I mean the second line from this to that. Going back, not going over there. So I clean up here, the back of the fence, and also that side over there. So I will clean up the rest tomorrow. It's important right here to clean up, Han, because of the dog. And I guess I got a lot more poison ivy on my arm. It's itching. I'm gonna go downstairs and look what we're gonna have for dinner. I thought we don't get a bill from oil, but of course we get delivery and it's just really expensive.
How much?
500 something.
They fill the tank up.
Huh?
They fill the tank up.
It's crazy.
How do you think water gets hot?
Electric, Han.
No. Oil.
It's oil. Iwan ko kung anong kakainin namin. Pag-usapan lang namin guys. Ayun na, tinatamad ako magluto guys. You eat all your food? You did. You did eat. Oh, who is that cat in the picture? Is that you? Is that you, little man? Look. That's you?
Well, it was good in those days. It's not that much good anymore. 'Cause the new ones, like the ones you got out there,
You wanna charge your...
seem brighter.
The one over there?
Seem much
That's
brighter.
how many pieces over there? 8?
I don't know how many.
Six?
I don't know how many pieces do we
That's
do.
like $25 from Big Lots. Anyway guys, drive
How
lang
many
ako
were there?
guys.
You don't remember?
6 pieces, 25. Is that
$3 a piece.
is that affordable?
Oh, actually, what? $4 a piece.
Dito na naman kami guys sa Big Lots. Ang daming mga flower nila dito, mga fake. Hala, meron na silang dito, $8. Oh. Maganda ito. We have more over here. Tignan natin magkano to. I like this. $14. I want something for our front porch. How much is this? I know it's like, oh, look, did you see the price? Oh, it says clearance here. Oh, this is, look, that's it. That's this. Na-try ko to guys sa airplane nung matagal na, 2012. 2012, yeah. Nagustuhan ko siya. Ito sa yung popcorn chips, gluten-free white cedar. Different kind flavor, pero ito yung gustong-gusto ko. Kararating namin guys. And
Oh, you got fries with your veggie wrap. You get fries with your veggie wrap. Burgers sitting here with this one.
huh?
Burgers in here with this one. Burgers, right?
Oh yeah, huh? What we have for mukbang guys, I mukbang this. This is the spicy chicken buffalo wing. It's so spicy and they put extra sauce under it. Look guys. Ngit sa balay guys, mangit-ngit. Pinatay ko yung light and then yun na lang yung light namin. Ano ba to? Yan. At saka yung blue color. Yan, nilagay namin sa pinaplug namin. Yan. Kapag ano siya, motion. And mag-blue siya, yun, mamatay siya. Motion na. Mag-light yan, ah. Look. Motion. I like it because it's blue. And inano namin siya dito sa bahay, parang spread. Ini-spread namin. But actually, bakit andito siya? Dapat andito to. Dapat ito siya dito sa hagdanan. Turn natin to. Tsaka ito. Flashlight din ito guys. Yan. Kapag wala kayong flashlight na makita siya, magamit siya, charge na siya dahil pinaplug, diba? So, charge na yun siya.
I'm not sure. That could be Theo's truck. Do you by chance recognize the van, maybe, or the vehicle?
Good night. Thank you guys so much for watching. And my baby is tired.
Restricted. I just want to shut up, friend.
He's so tired, guys.
Maybe I was afraid.
I love you.
You too. Me the camera. Hi guys.
He's still closing his eyes. Good night, guys. Iin na namin to, guys. Time check. It is 8:38 na ng gabi. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe, guys, and like this video. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Good night, guys.